this weekend is Aquashella, ladies and gentlemen, and guess who I'm bringing? I'm bringing Freshwater Joe. Why? Because he's not only never been on a trade show, he's never been on a plane. Pretty much, Joe's never been anywhere. So let's take him to Aquashella.
All right, guys, we are starting at the shop at Coventry, Rhode Island, and I'm going to interview Scotty Crow over here, and I'm asking him, why do we go to all these trade shows? So let's see what his answer is.
One of the biggest things is we try to get, besides branding the name out there, is really understanding what the whole store and everything means about. This is just beyond than just your local fish store. Us going to all these trade shows is about sustainability inside aquariums and really how we want to push it further, and also where we want to take aquariums over the future, how we want to promote sustainability, how we want to promote aquaculture, and seeing different ways throughout the entire U.S. that other places are doing this and what we can do to improve here, especially being in Coventry, Rhode Island, and expanding that to other places. One of the things I absolutely love is aquariums. I absolutely love and I'm passionate about fish, corals, and everything in between. What I love to do is get people excited and pumped up about these things. That's why I love doing all these trade shows, so I can go out there and I can show people all the different things that I'm so love and passionate about it. And one of the things I absolutely believe in, if people get excited about these things, they'll also get more excited about getting into learning about species, and from there, we build conservation.
All right, guys, so it all starts here in little old Coventry, Rhode Island, as me and Scott venture out to Chicago, Illinois, and go and share our passion for aquariums. And we are bringing all of you along with us. So stay tuned, put your seatbelts on, especially me, because I've never been on a plane before, and just stay tuned, because we got content coming at you, and you're not going to want to miss it. So make sure you guys are subscribed, and without further ado, this is Travel Day. Let's go. This is a little update. We're in the airport through TSA, waiting to board the flight to Chicago. How do you feel? You excited?
I'm tired.
It's like, what is it? It's 4:19 a.m. Why do we choose a flight this early?
You gotta listen. You're gonna start the day right away.
All right, we will catch you guys on the plane, and then when we land in Chicago, Illinois. And we'll update you then, so stay tuned.
As we leave the gate, please make sure that your seatbelt is fastened. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and pull the strap to tighten. To release the belt, just lift the top of the buckle.
You ready? Is the Uber on the way?
Let's do it.
Where's our lift?
I don't know.
Alright, folks, we have landed. We're waiting on our Lyft driver to pick us up now. We're going to meet Sean Hale at Starbucks, right?
And yeah. Sean is ready to torment poor Freshwater Joe.
But anyways, we'll catch you in the lift and at Starbucks. Let's go. How was that Lyft drive?
No, the question is, Joe, how was it for you? Joe's never rode in a Lyft. It was very awkward for him.
Yes, I mean, I've never been in a situation like that before, so like, it was interesting.
What is that?
It was just like sitting in the back of my car.
Wait a minute. You've also never flown in an airplane, been to another state.
I mean, I've been to other states, just by flight.
Joe, how do you like the fact that as soon as we get to Chicago, the first thing you think you hit up is Starbucks?
I love it. I mean, coffee. I needed some. What do we got going on, Scotty?
We're going wherever Sean Hale tells us to go. That's what we're doing right now.
We got some type of aquascaping going on, right? Yeah, saltwater tank.
That's what they're telling me.
Get champagne and orange juice on the way.
Scott, how excited are you to aquascape Joe's tank?
Well, I'm not aquascaping it.
Well, how excited are you to go watch?
We're just gonna go hang out.
Are you excited?
I'm pretty pumped right now. Especially the fact I just found out it was Joe. I love Joe on the Crawfish 12V videos.
Joe! George!
Ready?
Oh!
What's up, dude?
This. That Scott got his head shaved again. Willingly.
Willingly shaved it.
Like, look at this.
I like it. Look at it. I got rid of the glasses. Should I shave my head?
He's wearing contacts now.
Contacts on it. I feel like the hat fits better on it. You know what I'm saying?